Hi everyone, it's Marta and I am back again with some more AI and wine. So in one of the previous episodes, I mentioned that our creative team is already incorporating generative AI into the process of designing new labels. They are obtaining fantastic results, they're getting great imagery, but I want to take a minute today to think about the efficiency gains and to talk a little bit about our bigger picture ideas when it comes to the end-to-end process. So by using generative AI the way that we're using it right now, in essentially the proof of concept iterations through final design, we're definitely gaining some efficiencies, we're definitely removing some talent constraints, but the efficiencies are not huge, and this is mainly for one reason. The reason, as many of those who have experimented with Stable Diffusion, Midjourney, and DALL-E have experienced, is that often the iteration part moves from creating the image to figuring out the exact right prompt. But at Drinks, we believe that with generative AI, with all the data and the modeling that we have at our disposal, we can effectively remove the design brief and all of the iterations and draw a much straighter connection between the business objective and the design and the market's reaction. So not only are the efficiencies maximized, we're also driving effectiveness of the design. So the end-to-end process might be as simple as the winemaker putting in the varietal, the time of release, the price point of the bottle, and the goals that they want the bottle to accomplish in the market. And AI would take care of the rest. So that's a scenario where we're dealing with a label for a brand new wine brand. Now let's imagine that we're trying to design a label for an extension of a brand that's already established. AI might very well already know what it means that the label is supposed to go with the brand. It might also understand that if we're putting out a Chardonnay, it's most likely to come in this kind of bottle. It will then know what shape and size the label needs to be and design it with just that information so that the brand is consistent and the label looks the right way. Now imagine that we have, again, an established brand, but now we don't want another label that looks pretty much like the old ones, though different. We want the new labels to be more modern and trendier. AI could just do that at a click of a button. And these are just a few of the use cases that we're super excited to be working on. Just a few of the use cases that belong in the text-to-image world. Next time, I'll talk a little bit more about the text part and large language models. So see you then.